We've created our own course with Thinkific, so we have a ton of experience. They say Thinkific has everything you need to teach online. It has a course builder, a landing page creator, you can even manage a community with it. But does it really live up to the hype? Is it really that easy to use? And more important, how much will it cost you? Let's find out. Unless you go the open source route and use something like Moodle, and we all know how difficult that can be, creating your online course won't be cheap. But one of the reasons why we picked Thinkific was because it was one of the most affordable options. We have the basic plan, but we pay yearly to save a little bit of money. As you can see, it starts at $36, and that gets you a lot. When you compare it to other options like Teachable, you can see the price difference. As Teachable starts at $89 a month. And then, if you need to upgrade, things get expensive. $189 a month. Let's go back to Thinkific. The basic plan will allow you to have just one community and have 5 digital downloads. The good thing is that it doesn't limit how many courses you can have, something other platforms do limit. And then if you were hosting online events or coaching sessions, you could opt for the Star plan. The growth package is perfect for those needing to have more than one community. Now let me show you our dashboard with Thinkific. From the left-hand side menu, you can access all the relevant sections. And the products is where you will host your courses, communities, digital downloads, coaching and webinars, and more. Then there is the channel section. Here you can create a landing page for your course. This is not a full-on website or landing page builder like Wix or Squarespace, but with a little bit of tweaking around, you can have a decent landing page for your course. From the marketing section, you can set up things like an affiliate program for your course, where you would pay people to refer students. You can also create email marketing automations to convince users to buy your course, and even manage your leads. The sales section is pretty cool. Here you can create bundles. For example, you'd like to sell more than one course together to your students. It's also possible to create coupons and process payments. And by the way, Thinkific integrates with a bunch of external tools, as you can see. There are dozens of tools you can pick from. There are also a bunch of payment methods you can use to process payments. For example, you can use Amazon Pay, you can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, Link, and so on. Hey, quick coffee break here. I wanted to let you know about the newsletter I send every week with my favorite app recommendations, just like this one, to help you do more in less time and with my productivity tips. It's an awesome newsletter and totally free. Now back to the video. But let's now check how you can build your own course with Thinkific. Head over to Products and Courses. And here you see the overview of the course. Here you can add a new course. Just add a brief description. And then little by little you can build your course until you have something like this. You can easily add new chapters and then add lessons for each chapter. As you can see, there are several options. You can add video, you can add text, you can add quizzes, PDFs, audio, and more. Then you can reorder the lessons and change the name. It would be really easy to record a new lesson and replace an outdated piece of content. Then from the settings, you can manage the course options, like you want, for example, the course to appear in a dark theme or in a light theme, or customize a little bit how it looks. And from the pricing tab, you can control how you want to sell your course. You could have a free course, or like us, you could just ask for a one-time fee. But with the start plan and above, you could also have a membership or a subscription-based course, or even a monthly payment plan. As you can see, this is very flexible. Thinkific is a perfect all-in-one platform to have your online course. It comes with many other options, the ability to generate invoices, or even has an analytics section so you can see how your sales are going. If you're serious about building an online course, Thinkific it's one of the alternatives you should consider. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this Thinkific review helped you see how you can turn your expertise into an income generating online course. If you think Thinkific is for you, I've dropped a link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.